if you have been thinking of to actually have a different types of content on your website, not just purely based on text, images, but at the same time, you actually like to add in some elements of video contents to your website, how do you do that? Hey guys, this is Zevin from DMC. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can actually add in or embed a YouTube video to your WordPress website, so that when the users are browsing through your contents, not only they are just purely reading your text and looking at the images, at the same time, they can actually watch your YouTube video within your website itself. So basically, this is a demo website. So from here, you can see that you can actually embed a YouTube video on your WordPress websites, right? On to any page or any any single page, and also any single post, right? So you can choose to either embed like in the middle of the post, of your contents, or at the ends or things like that, right? But how are we actually to do this? The step is basically very, very simple. So what you can actually do is that you need to make sure that you go to YouTube and to look for the videos that you would like to embed. Okay, so this is basically our YouTube channel, DMC Training. So for those of you, if you are yet to subscribe, remember to help us subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah. So this is the one that I'm looking at over right here. Let's say I'm going to embed these videos, right? So this is the one, and I'm going to click into this video, okay, how to remove an image background without using Photoshop, okay. So this video I would like to actually add into my WordPress websites, right? So this is how it goes. Yeah, you can see that from here, there's actually this share button. Yep. So what you need to do is click on this share, and you'll be able to see that there's this embed code right here. Yep. So click under here, and you'll be able to see this code. Okay, so this is the main things that we're going to get. Okay, this code is the one that we're going to use and embed to the website. So how do you do that? Is that you come on here, copy and paste the whole code, and we are going to go back to the website. Okay, so let's say this is the page, a sample page that I'm putting up over right here, right? Let's say I would like to actually put up the page, the video, and I would like to embed it somewhere around in the middle of the contents, yeah? So I'm going to edit a page, and over right here, it depends on your WordPress versions, yeah. So different WordPress will have different editor that we are looking at over right here. So if you are looking at the latest WordPress, this is this is the how your page is going to looks like, right? So as I mentioned, I would like to actually edit somewhere in the middle. So perhaps maybe right after this paragraph, and you can see that when I click under different section itself, right, there will be these plus buttons right there. Add block, okay, I can just click add, and I'm going to choose HTML. So if you don't see HTML right there, what you can do is that you can just search for it, okay, HTML, and after that we're going to just come over to here, and we're going to paste the code over right here. Okay, we're going to paste the YouTube embed code right here, the iframe codes, yeah. After we embed it, after we paste it over right here, what you can do is that you can just do a preview first before you actually update your whole WordPress, right? So let's just see, yeah. Okay, so this is how it goes. My video will look something like this. Then you'll be asking, hey Zevin, my video is currently aligned to the left. How do I make the video to align to the center? Okay, so some things that look similar like this, instead of like the whole video is aligned to the left, how do I actually do it to make it sure that it's actually aligned to the center, right? You can just go back to your edit page, and this is what you're going to add in over right here, yeah? You're going to add in at the beginning and also the end of the iframe code, and you're going to type in this code over right here. Open bracket, a center code that we are looking at over right here, okay? Open bracket, CENTER, center, and at the end of it, we are going to put that the same things again. Open bracket, but now you need to add in a backslash, okay? Open brackets, backslash, then only you close it with another center code, okay? So this is what we are referring over right here. These two, okay? Center code, and also the beginning of the center code and also the closing of the center code. Yeah. So right after that, so just do a quick preview and let's see. Yeah. Okay. Over here, you can see that very fast, very quick. The video will be embedded to your post, and at the same time, you can actually align that to the center. Then after that, some people will be asking, hey Zevin, how do I actually make my video full width? Okay, I want to make it a big videos embedded into my website itself, right? Now the video is like so small. How do I actually make it into full width, right? Now, if you're going back to your the editors over right here, if you can see from this iframe code, it's actually telling you that this height, the width of the video, okay, 560, and also the height of the video itself, right? This is basically suggested by YouTube over right here, right? Suggested by YouTube over right here. So what you can do is that you can actually adjust the size from there. Okay, I would recommend you to go in with, like, for example, the height is basically 100%. Okay, I mean the width itself, right? If you want to make it into full width according to your to your website size itself, and it will be adjusted based on your screen size, be it is on your desktop or your mobile itself. Yeah. So for the height itself, let's say we remain it at 33315, right? And let's see what's going to happen here. We're going to preview that, and this is the things that you can see. So if you can see from here, basically it was like full width, but the height was being cut. Again, the height was being cut from there. So what you can do is that you can actually adjust the height from there, from 300 to 500, and you can see whether or not it has been displayed fully. Okay, 515 as per now is not full yet still. Okay, perhaps I will just change it to 555. Okay, let's see whether or not it's already covered my full videos over right here. Yeah, so if you can see from here, basically it's pretty much already covered. A little bit more, and I will just do it at 605, and let's see how is the width from that. Okay, so yep, that's all good. You can see that all my videos has been displayed right here, and this is how big I want it to be, right? So what you can actually do is that, yeah, you can actually set the size from there, and you can actually just adjust the width and also the height from there. So depending on how big that you want and how small that you want. Okay, so this is the one that we are looking at over right here if you are actually doing it based on this editor. Now some of you guys will be using a classic editor. How do you do it with a classic editor then? Now, if you're looking at a classic editor, it will look something similar like this, right? Where you will have these two tabs right there, a visual tab and also a text tab. Yep. So what you're going to do is that simple process, same process, similar process. What you're going to do, you just copy that iframe code and come back to your editors over right here. And instead of using at the visual tab, you're going to choose the text tab. Okay. Make sure that you are selecting the text tab. And you're going to navigate to the place that you want and just paste the codes right there. So same concept, if you want it to be center aligned, you just add the center code right there. Okay, open brackets and closing of the center. And we are going to just do a preview, one more round over right here, and you can see that that video will be embedded in the middle, aligning to the centers of your WordPress page, right? So like I mentioned, this method is not just limited to a page, it can also be applied to a post itself. And embedding a YouTube video is very, very straightforward and very fast, and you can also at the same time embed multiple videos to the same page. Yeah. So like for example, if let's say I have another one over right here, okay, this is by my team members. Okay, so let's say I'm going to do this sharing, and I'm going to just post multiple posts to the same page, right? I mean, embed multiple videos to the same page. Maybe I don't want it to be so close. Let's say, like a few paragraphs away. I'm just going to add the center code from here. Okay, so you can see I added the center codes beginning and also at the end as well. Okay, so I'm going to do another preview, and let's see. Yeah. So you can see that, embedding the video to the website itself is pretty much will be just taking less than 5 minutes kind of thing. Okay, you just need to make sure that you copy and paste the iframe code to your WordPress website, and basically your video is set to go. And that's it. When the users are coming to your websites, they will be able to view the contents that you have, that you actually publish to YouTube. And at the same time, it doesn't redirect them to YouTube, but they are still staying on your website. and they can still continue reading your content and while at the same time watching your video. So that's all in this video that I would like to share with you how to actually embed a YouTube video to your WordPress website. You can leave a comment below. Let us know if you like our videos. You can just help us like and share. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.